Peace and Development Coordinating Committee, Pdcc, has questioned whether replacing Chief Minister will bring an end to ongoing conflict with Kuki-Narco terrorists. In a press note meet held at Manipur Press Club today, President of Pdcc, Laimapokpam Joy, noted that over 60,000 people have been displaced and more than 200 lives have been lost in the ongoing crisis that began on May 3rd last year. He referenced a post which when circulated on social media in which ministers and MLAs are calling for removal of Chief Minister Nongthong Bombirin, who has been actively working to protect reserved forest, combat poppy cultivation, and address the issue of FMR. Joy questioned whether replacing Chief Minister would genuinely resolve the ongoing conflict if the post is indeed accurate. He further asked will the MLAs and ministers concerned will be able to take responsibilities of the ongoing crisis. Joy further stated that the Pdcc wants the public to unitedly stand against those who are attempting to disintegrate the territorial boundary of Manipur by shedding political differences.
Social media gi ngarang nahan gi du da koi na ujabada thenga jabada honorable MLA honorable minister khara masing taramapan gumbana honorable prime minister the memorandum bisili ha me chingba cherun bisan bisi kari kari yaurabano Manipur gi praja singjina paamiba NRC aduga koi gi reserve forest ko thok yaroi war on drug ha bisi kaino masi chanagadabani adege koi gi free movement regime adu na kori su ma tungi miron gi angkanda honorable CM gi aduga ji pali sarkar asigi maigi gi haib tare phire basi lawduna leiriba adugum lo ko issue sing do yawba akoi gi memorandum la haibu su khoi khang ngamjadaba hoji leiriba issue hoji thoiba thokdo lakadori ba sing gi angkanda law maker man moina tawonjani ba potu yawna changsilibra haiba wang ji suni ado haji ji moina sum chonara koda sum tajabadadi akoi social media da thengnajaba matamdadi honorable CM je sintokpa haibisina warosin purakadawgi mawongda sum nainabagumba sum tajaba Pdcc ki maigi gi thamjani ngedi CM je sintoga solution je propong ngamgadoribra wangsima chaloriba honorable MLA honorable minister sing aduna CM je sintokra matungda leiriba Manipur gi issue ji daitwa punama CM gi daitwa si lawba ngamagadra core issue sing ji puthoktana Manipur gi people na pamiba adugi pandam do yobung ngamna bagi damakta hojik leiriba state issue riba irang handriba punama sigi solution je propong ngamguni habji people da tholaktana yamna thakoi sengna Manipur gi people gi mihutni representative ni habi wakal londo miam leiri aina ngasi minister roiba MLA hoje je miam gi mohusin jabani khalakanda miam stakeholder sing civil society sing tana tingnar kanda political gi khenaba thamda bida elected khudimak se amat hoiba aduga stakeholder sing CSO sing amat hoiba unite hoina na bagi we to the land dunia ko gi Pdcc gi amchum Manipur gi miam na pamjari bisu